Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your science teacher Nancy Pandey. I hope you all are doing good job at your home and you have also done the work that is given during your live classes or in your homework assignment. So students, in our previous video we had done the exercises A, B, C, D and E. Now we are going to do the concept map from page number 38 from your science book, chapter number 3, animals that helps us. So students, let's recall and complete the concept map given below. So my dear students, here concept map is given. Here some missing words are given. You have to write the full words or you have to complete these words that is missing. Animals that help us. So students, you know very well, in this chapter we had learned about two types of animals. First is domestic. So here you have to complete the spelling of domestic, that is DOMESTIC, domestic animals. Now look at the next one. The next type of animal is pets. So here you have to write PETS, pets. The spelling of pets is PETS, pets. Now you have to write two examples of each. Like in first box you have to write the example of domestic animals. Below the domestic animals, so the example of domestic animals are cow and horse. So my dear students, you know very well, animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. So the example of domestic animals are cow and horses. Next one is pets. So animals that live in our homes are called pets. The example of pets are cat and dog. CAT, cat, AND and DOG, dog. Cat and dog. Now let's observe. Join the dots to compare the picture. So students, look at the picture that is given here. You have to join the dots and complete the picture. So students, firstly look at this picture. What is this? This is a cow. Now let's do the question that is related to this picture. Name the animal and its home. So students, look at this animal. Name the animal and its home. So students, this is a cow and cow lives in a shed. Here you have to write cow lives in a shed in the answer of this question. So what you have to write here? Cow lives in a shed. Now look at the second question. Name the food product this animal gives us. So students, what we get from cow? Which food product we get from cow? We get milk from the cow. So here you have to write milk, milk. Now let's come to the third one. Name any two food items we make from it. So students, you know very well, we make many food items by using milk like butter, cheese, ghee and curd. So here you have to write any two food items that we make from milk. So you have to write CURD curd and BUTTER butter. So this food items is also known as milk products. Now let's analyze and evaluate. Look at the picture that is given here. This is a picture of butter. So let's do the answer of given question. Which of these animals give us something that is used to make butter? So students, you know very well, we make butter from the milk, and we get milk from which animal? Let's read the option. Horse, cow, pig, bees. So students, option number B, that is cow, is the correct option. We make butter from the cow's milk. Now look at the second question. Which of these is made from milk? Now let's read the option. Honey, candle, eggs and cheese. So students, we make cheese from milk. So here option number D is correct. We get honey from the honey bee, and we make candle from the bees wax, and we get eggs from hens and ducks. And cheese is milk product. So here our correct answer is cheese. Now let's create. Make a list of any 10 useful things we use in our daily life which we get from animals. Make a chart with pictures and name of those things and the animals. So students, here you have to make a list of any 10 useful things we use in everyday life. You have to make list of any 10 useful things that you use in your daily life. Then which we get from animals. So students, you have to make a list of 10 useful things that we get from animals, and you have to make a chart with pictures and name of those things and the animals. Now let's come to the second one. Visit any friends or neighbors who have a pet at home. Write a few sentences in your mother tongue on how they look after their pet. So students, you have to visit at your any friend's home or neighbors with your parents, and you have to know about their pets, and you have to write few sentences about them in mother tongue, and you have to write how they look after their pet. So I hope you understand all the exercises and the 2 activities that is given here by this video. So you have to complete your fair copy and you have to learn all the homework and assignment that is given during your live classes. Thank you, students. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at your home. Bye and take care.